What is going on, you guys? Kevin here from the Humble Garage. Got the Mark 7 GTI behind me. Don't have a name for it yet. I want it to be something really clever, but it's just not coming to me, you know? So, anyway, I've done a couple things so far, and we'll just go over that right now. I painted the wheels satin black. Yes, that is spray paint, but it looks pretty fucking good if I do say so myself. I removed the spare tire out of the hatchback here because, you know, weight reduction, bro. And if I get a flat ever, I have roadside assistance. I plasti dipped this VW badge. Going to be doing the GTI badge here in the near future. Installed my little golfing license plate cover thing. This is the stock tow hook. It was a little bit dirty, so I cleaned it up and painted it. So I guess supposedly UPS tried to deliver my Cobb access port today, but it requires signature, but I'm probably not going to be here, so I just signed the back of the sheet and checked the box saying please deliver it without signature. Although tomorrow's Friday, I usually do get off pretty early on Friday, so yeah. But also check this bad boy out. Got this on Amazon. It gets really hot here in Florida, so you really need one of these here windshield cover things, sunscreens or whatever, and that looks awesome. It's like almost the same red as the car, and it just looks amazing. So we've got some things we're going to install today. Can't even use the word install because some of them are just like little accessories that I'm just going to pop on there. But got the carbon fiber look GTI branded license seatbelt pads. So those are going to go in front, and then I have little fluffy black ones. Those are going to go in the back. Put those on now. Have an OBD11. I'm probably going to do an entire separate video on all the badass features that I'm going to use with the OBD11. For those of you who don't know what an OBD11 is, it's a little Bluetooth dongle that plugs into your OBD2 port, and it's specifically for Volkswagens and Audis. And it lets you reprogram a ton of really cool features, like say you want your headlights to have different functionality, or you want to unlock the feature where you can roll down all your windows from the key fob, stuff like that. You can unlock those features. You can also read and clear codes and get diagnostic information. So really cool little device. I got my new paddles in. Now these are actually going to replace the stock paddles, which is awesome. I didn't want to get the ones that are just like 3M adhesive tape and they stick on over the stock ones. These are actual one-piece billet aluminum. I got them in red. They come in silver or black as well, but I thought the red would go really nice with the interior to make it pop just a little bit. So those are going in. Sweet little tow hook. This is going to go on the front because I'm using the stock black one in the back. However, if this looks amazing, I might go ahead and order another one of these bad boys here. So that's a pretty straightforward install. The tow hooks on this vehicle, there is a little, oh man, damn bike's in the way. Bam. Just a little plastic piece, a little circle, you unplug and bam, then this is threaded, you screw it on in there. Ooh. Uh-oh. Alright, might have to use the stock one up here and this one out back because it ain't long enough. That's what she said. So we'll swap them real quick. Well, unfortunately, this tow hook, even though it looks fucking badass, will not work. It's not long enough. So it's just scraping the hell out of my bumper and can't have that. Alright, got these two side trim pieces, which are faux carbon fiber. They do look pretty real. And these are supposed to go on the side, like side skirts, pretty much. Like that, I guess. Yeah, that looks about right. So, let me figure out how I want to install these bitches. If I want to 3M them on there, or screw them on there. They do come with screws, but honestly, I think 3M adhesive tape might work just fine as well. We'll see about that. Also have these little side fins in carbon, and then of course a little something for the ass end as well. God, I'm sweating like a Thai hooker in here. Alrighty. Underneath there. Oh, that's gonna look good. Nope, I don't really like the fitment of this either. These are all like universal. They're not really meant for this car or anything. And this does look fantastic. Don't get me wrong. The paint quality looks good. The build quality looks fine, but it just, the fitment's not there. I'd have to do some cutting and modifying, which I really don't want to do. As you've seen with my Street Fighter build over there, I don't mind doing cutting and modifying. In fact, I pretty much built that bike from scratch, but I just don't particularly want to do that with the GTI as it is my daily. I kind of want to make everything, you know, OEM fit and finish. Just don't want to strap on a bunch of rice or bullshit. I kind of want it to be tastefully done. I definitely do want to install these on the side here. However, there's like this black plastic side skirt on there right now. Let me zoom in. That's going to have to go. I mean, that just looks shitty. So, I mean, eventually I'm going to get a front lip on there. I'm going to be getting a rear diffuser. And then the side skirt, I'm just going to go ahead and remove those bad boys. And then probably stick these hose on there. All right, those little side fins actually turned out pretty good, if I do say so myself. They're kind of a soft, rubbery material. They're not like hard plastic. So hopefully they'll look pretty durable if I, you know, bump them into something or whatever. But they look good. They're like a fake faux carbon fiber look. And I definitely want to install those side skirts, but I do not want to do that until I remove these stock plastic side skirts because they're just the damn eyesore. But in the meantime, let's move on to doing the paddle shifters and the OBD11.